Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see an LP there that I'm going to do a dirty pour on, and I'm just looking at it and I'm going to do this because I can't really reach it where it's at. So here we go. I've got that dustpan there to pour off any excess, and I can bring that over just a tad more. Move these colours back a bit, and that should be about right. Spot on. So there's nothing on there at the moment, and as I said, it's going to be a dirty pour. I have some nice bright colours: red, gold, white, a little bit of black, some bright green and purple. Now each of the colours, that's the red, gold, green and purple, they have some silicone in them, but the white and black do not. So I'm just taking out my little knives and then I'm going to pour my cup. I'm going to use a fair bit of white in this, simply because I can, and I might put some black in first, but I'm only going to use a smidgen of black. So there we go. Add some purple, green, white, gold, red, and some more white on the top. It's more than enough for this LP, so this is how we're going to do it. A little flippy. Over it goes. Now, some of these colours out of my way. Had some nice selection there. Put this here. I just want to start to bring it around. The recipes for this paint and pouring medium and silicone you will find below this video under show more, and there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come there and join us. I'd like to see you. And I'll just run some of this off because I do have rather a lot. Let me turn it around. Right. Down you come. I'm going to leave that because that is ever so pretty. And I'll just get a towel for my hands. I should have had that out. They've got the air bubbles out, and that is really, really pretty. It didn't even take very long. So I'm going to leave it at that. Oh, I've got some more air bubbles. Let me just tap them. I think I've got them all now. Let me see. Have a little look around. Yep. Alright, so I'll bring you down to have a look at this one. That didn't take me long at all. Quite surprised. Get it to go the first time. And come on, Danny, come. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell beside that word and you will be notified then as I put more videos up into YouTube. And this is what I've been looking at. The cells will continue to grow a little bit. Very pretty. Please give this one the thumbs up. Do appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.